because I've been stalking you. And I'm just so happy. No, really, the exchange of messages between you and John, husband of
Lian.
Of Lian, the wonderful times you had, and you will still have with your children. Di ba, napakaganda pa.
Ang saya-saya.
How did you get to that place?
It was a very long process. And sabi ko nga, ang isa sa pinakatamang ginawa ko was I kept it private. Before kasi, di ba, tuwing tinatanong, nakukwento ko kung ano yung nangyayari. So nagkakaroon ng malice siguro on their part, di ba, of what I do. Pero it was a very long process. And masasabi ko na hindi siya nahilaw. Ngayon, hinug na. And I can say na with Lian and John na hindi kami civil. Friends kami.
Totoo. And more than that, ang aming basa, ang dating sa amin, pamilya.
Yes.
Kasi there was a post na si Lian nag-post, kung tama ang aking memory, sabi niya ay dalawang aming protector.
Yeah.
I think this is the time after the Blackpink concert.
Yes. Yeah.
Oo, si Pao at si John.
Yeah.
Di ba ako medyo may...
Meron yun. Lalo sa akin. Lalo sa akin. And I'm very, because sa panahon ngayon, si Lian at saka they're private people already. And for them to actually post, sila ang nauuna di ba? So, I give that to them. Kasi baka mamaya, siyempre, ayokong sabihin ng mga tao na ginagawa mo lang yan. So, when they post, I post. And I'm very happy about it because they're open about it. And feel ko yung sincerity. Kaya ang saya.
At saka ang ganda kasi gratitude posts
Yes.
Balikan ng pasasalamat.
Yes. And
diba?
walang awkwardness, John and Celine went to Bubble Gang nung isang taping.
Okay.
Sinamahan ni John si Celine. And
Celine ba is younger or older?
The younger
one.
And
Sonia is the
older one.
The older one.
Ang saya-saya. And iba yung respeto ni John sa akin. Kaya talagang grabe yung respeto ko sa kanya. I'm very thankful sa kanilang dalawa because napalaki nila yung mga bata na sobrang marespeto at mababait talaga. And nakikita yun ng mga tao.
At saka ang nakaka-appreciate dito sa kwentong ito is, ang dating nito sa marami, it took a while, it took a journey to get there.
Oh, it did.
Pero dumating.
Yes.
Diba?
And I think it's God's perfect timing. Kung napaaga siya, baka hindi pa ako ganun ka-mature, baka hindi pa sila ganun ka-mature, diba, when it comes to like seeing us in public. May mga ganung bagay. Lahat yun kailangan i-consider. And now, we don't consider it anymore. Kasi talaga, masaya.
Ang mga bata, kumusta?
They
must be very happy.
They are. They're very happy and they're very, very respectful. Siyempre, nagkaroon una ng time na getting to know. We're still there. We're still there. But they're very nice.